Why has DICSA, a world leader in the distribution of hydraulic components and fluid flow connectors, become a leading manufacturer of fittings? Because we have one goal: to meet the needs of our customers. To achieve this goal, we first needed to create a technical office headed by a group of engineers equipped with cutting-edge technology and tools. And we did. This team of engineers design and control the whole manufacturing process, which means we can 100% guarantee the traceability of every part we manufacture. Besides the technical office, we had to automate our manufacturing processes, starting by managing the receipt and storage of the raw material through a robotic system. And we did. This challenge required that we equip our manufacturing area with state-of-the-art technology, and we did. 15 CNC machines, 2 high-production transfer machines, markers, bending, crimping, and automatic and semi-automatic auxiliary machines, in an area in which we continually invest to manufacture fittings of the highest quality. And we did. Today we have workshops in our production plant, one to assemble components and kits for OEMs, another to weld flexible metallic hoses, and lastly, one to assemble hydropower plants. To ensure that our customer-orientated solutions were effective, it was vital that we have some test benches on which we could test the parts we manufacture to breaking point. And we did. All of this allows us to offer our customers a wide range of standard products as well as special products adapted to their needs, which are often difficult to manufacture and source from a single distributor. Having a clear objective of meeting our customers' needs has made us a leading international distributor of hydraulic components and fluid flow connectors, and world leaders in the manufacture of stainless steel fittings. DICSA, growing up together.